So now we'll look at the printing options. So here before printing any workbook you need to see the print preview. So here in Excel, in MacBook, so you can go to the file menu and then print. Here print, then wait a minute, then you can see the print preview here. So after that you can also go from the quick access toolbar here from print, and you can see the print preview, and you can set here the printer you set. So from here you can set the different options like 2 pages print, or you can see here many pages. So my page is 2 page 1, then you can see the other pages. So for basic printing, just go to the file and then click print. Before printing, see the print preview, because in Excel it is different to print from other office softwares like Word or Access. So in Excel, before printing you have to make sure that whether it's okay or not. In this lecture we'll know about the page layout. So here in the menu bar under there's a menu called page layout. Under the page layout you can see many icons like themes, colors, margins, orientation, size, print area, bricks, background, print titles, page setup, and many more print page layout. So here if you want to print it on landscape, then you can set it here on by clicking the landscape, or from portrait you can set margins, normal, wide, narrow, or you can set sizes, you can set print area here, print area, set print area, oh, I have to select it in the total print area, then you set the print area. So look what mistake I did. First I selected a single cell, then the command shows me that I have to select an area. Then I've selected this print area, then I have to show the print preview from here, so print title. So here I can set the page setup. So on page setup we can set pages like page, margins, header, footer, sheet, and in many options as you like or as your purpose. Like if you want to put grid lines, then you can tick here, draft quality, then you can tick here, many options. So on the status bar you can also see page layout. So here by clicking on this you can see the page layout. Here it's clear that on page 1 you will see this area, on page 2 you will see this area. So from page layout you can set your page for print or for your further use, for download, to make it PDF. So go to the page layout and select the options that serves your purpose. After checking everything, what you have to do is to print the final document. So after checking the print preview, page layout, you have to print. So you can print it from file and then print here, and then click here for print, or you can go to the quick access toolbar and just click here for print. Click here and you can see the page and you can print. So after clicking the print, it will be printed on your printer. That's all in the printing section.